everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I want to show you the easiest way ever to be able to grow your own salad. Literally, all it is getting 1 pack of seed. I got this mesclun mix from Home Depot a few days ago. Now I have filled 2 small containers that are ornamental and look pretty so I can have them conveniently placed in my back patio. And all I'm going to do is put half the seed in one pot, half the seed in the other. Now that these pots are filled, I'm just going to add a light layer of the same soil. I'm using compost. You can do this with potting soil. And now all I have to do is site these in a warm, sunny location. These should germinate in just a few days, and really within a few weeks, I'll be harvesting fresh salads from these. So if you've always wanted to grow salad for yourself, I hope this will be the season that you do it. You see how simple it was. Fill a pot, sprinkle some seeds, cover it up, and put it in the sun. I'll give you updates as all of this starts to grow. As always, thanks for watching.